This is a camera, and today I'll be shooting on this camera and show you how it works. So let's get on with it. So welcome back to my channel, this time for shooting with a very special camera that I made from bread tin. And why do I say it's a camera? Well, I can open it here and show you I painted it black inside. And I can put photographic paper inside here. Paper used to make enlargement in the old days. And if I put it in here and make certain that the opening not is blocking anything right here, then I can, when I have closed for the paper, I can expose it by the pinhole here or the pinhole here. So I have two different ways of exposure, and there are several reasons for that. One of which is I can change the perspective that I shoot on the paper by selecting different holes, one of the differing holes. Or if I'm using smaller papers than this 18 by 24 I just showed you, the paper will be down in the bottom, and so this is sort of in the middle across for the paper if I use the lower one. But I can also make double exposures by using one piece of paper and then first exposing by one pinhole and then by the other pinhole. So that way I can make very interesting photographs. The paper I use these days is this Aqua Brovia. It's a photographic paper, as I said, for making enlargements in your darkroom. But this paper is expired like 30 years ago or something, but I don't care. It makes for interesting photographs. So when I expose on my paper, I of course get a negative. I could develop it so that it came out a positive, but it doesn't matter. I scan it anyway, and in my post-processing, I change it to a positive. So let's go and have a look at how I use it, and also see what kind of images can come out of it. Let's first discuss how I place it, because there's no tripod support or anything on this, so I have to put it on the ground, for instance, and support it maybe by some rocks so it doesn't move, because it's very light camera. It's like 200 grams or something, so wind can move it around. So I have to make it, put it somewhere where it can sit firmly. If I'm not interested, of course, in motion blur in the image, I could be. Or I could place it on some stable ground and then just hold it by hand so that it stays firmly there. Because it needs long exposures. This image here, which is a little too less developed or too less exposed, was exposed for 2 minutes, and that's too little. I should have given it a bit more. But sometimes it doesn't matter, because I can actually create quite interesting images. Maybe not from this exact one, but I have other images that I exposed incorrectly by will and got something very interesting out of. So let's have a look at the shooting and some images. I am down here in my own village, my own town where I live, and I'm going to photograph this stairway up here behind me with this very special camera. I'm thinking about just setting it here so it can photograph up the stairway. See how it performs. You'll see in a few minutes. So this is how it looks on camera, and in a short while you'll see how it looks on this awesome pinhole camera. So I hope you like my little, what do we call it, review of my camera here, made from a tin can. A camera that can shoot large format images like this, 18 by 24. That's the largest size that fits inside, but I sometimes also shoot 13 by 18. And I can use old photo paper made for enlargements. And I have got a huge load of it. I put a note up on Facebook and asked if anyone had paper, and I got I think I got more than 1,000 papers. So people were just getting rid of something they didn't use anymore. And so now I have images for the next many years, probably the rest of my life. I hope you found this interesting, and maybe you'll try to make a camera like this, and give me a note if you do, so please comment on this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button on this video. So thank you very much for this time, and bye for now.